In this video, I'll show you how to log out of Facebook on other devices so you can secure your account if it's still active somewhere else. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you are logged in. Tap the menu icon in the corner of the screen, then scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy. After that, tap Settings to open your account settings page. Now look for the password and security option and tap on it. Once you open this section, find the option called Where you're logged in. Here you will see a list of all devices and locations where your account is currently active. Tap See All to view the full list of sessions. Go through the list and find the device you want to log out from. Tap the three dots next to that device, then select Log Out to end that session immediately. If you want to log out from all other devices at once, scroll to the bottom of the list and choose Log Out of all sessions. This will sign your account out from every device except the one you are currently using. After doing this, your account will be much more secure. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple tech tips and tutorials.